Hello friends, Namaste, Khamagani. Welcome to Tax Time Sharing Minds. In this part of Virtual Digital Asset Taxation series, we will discuss the most complicated topic which is effective from 1st July 2022, that is TDS on transactions of virtual digital assets. Today we will understand the provision of TDS in two phases. First, who is deductor, deductee, what is the rate of TDS, on what amount TDS is to be deducted, when it is to be deducted, and what are the exemptions. In the second phase, we will discuss the recent guidelines issued by CBDT on transactions of VDA via Circular number 13 and 14 of 2022 dated 22nd June and 28th June. Now let's start with first the legal provisions as stated in the Act. Payment on transfer of virtual digital asset. Section 194S. Any person responsible for paying to any resident any sum by way of consideration for transfer of a virtual digital asset shall at the time of credit processable account of the resident or at the time of payment process sum by any mode which is earlier the amount to process credit.
Provided in the case where the consideration for transfer of the virtual digital asset is holding in kind or exchange of another virtual digital asset.
Let's understand this provision in a step-by-step manner. First, who is deductor and deductee? Deductor is any person, either resident or non-resident, जो कि responsible है for making the payment to the deductee for transfer of VDA. Deductee is a resident person to whom amount is payable by the deductor. Second, rate and time of deduction. Tax is required to be deducted at the rate of 1% of the consideration and it is to be deducted at the time of payment or credit, whichever is earlier. Let's understand this by an example. There is one buyer X who has entered into the transaction for purchase of VDA from a resident person Y. Now X will deduct TDS at the rate of 1% from payment that is made to Y for purchase of such VDA. Now this TDS component is to be computed on net amount, that is excluding the amount of GST and other charges. Also, जो पेमेंट है for purchase of VDA वो तीन तरीकों से किया जा सकता है, that is wholly in cash, wholly in kind and lastly the partly in cash and partly in kind. In case the consideration is wholly in kind or where it is partly in kind and cash and the cash is not sufficient to meet the liability of the TDS, then जो deductor है he will ensure that tax has been paid in respect of such transaction before releasing any consideration. So now we know कि tax किसको काटना है, किस पे काटना है, कितना काटना है and कब काटना है. Let's see who all are exempt from such provisions. First, no tax shall be deducted where deductor एक specified person है and जो aggregate value of consideration है वो 50,000 के ऊपर नहीं है during the financial year. Second, no TDS where deductor is a person other than a specified person and its aggregate value does not exceed rupees 10,000 during the financial year. These threshold limits are required to be checked from 1st April 2022 onwards and not from 1st July 2022. Now from above exemption, one important terminology that we need to understand is of specified person. अगर इसको आसान तरीके से समझा जाए, then इसमें वो person cover है जो कि बहुत छोटे हैं, ज़्यादा नहीं कमा रहे and government इन पे compliance burden नहीं डालना चाहती. Now as given under the law, specified person is bifurcated into two categories. First, those individual और HUF जिनकी कोई भी इनकम PGBP हेड में नहीं है एंड सेकेंड दोज इंडिविजुअल और HUF जिनकी PGBP इनकम तो है लेकिन टोटल सेल्स, ग्रॉस रिसीट्स और टर्नओवर फ्रॉम द बिजनेस डज नॉट एक्सीड 1 करोड़ और फ्रॉम प्रोफेशन डज नॉट एक्सीड 50 lakh rupees ड्यूरिंग द फाइनेंशियल ईयर immediately preceding the financial year in which such VDA is transferred. मतलब अगर VDA फाइनेंशियल ईयर 22-23 में ट्रांसफर हुआ है तो टर्नओवर की लिमिट फॉर स्पेसिफाइड पर्संस विल बी टेकन फॉर फाइनेंशियल ईयर 21-22. The important thing that is to be kept in mind is that where tax is deducted by the specified person, then such TDS is to be deposited within 30 days from the end of the month in which deduction has been made through a Challan cum Statement Form 26QE. With this, we have completed the first phase of our video. Now let's quickly understand the second phase. Recently, the CBDT have issued the guidelines for removing the difficulties in implementing the new provision of TDS. In these guidelines, the CBDT have clarified different situations, that is, situation where transactions are undertaken through exchange directly or through broker or outside exchange, and also TDS किसको डिडक्ट करना होगा, बायर को, ब्रोकर को या एक्सचेंज को. Let's first understand the concept that the government have kept in mind while issuing these guidelines. जो गवर्नमेंट है उनको पता है कि अगर ये TDS की compliances की responsibility छोटे छोटे बायर्स पे डाल दी, then this provision might become redundant. So what they have done? The government have smartly tried to put the onus of deducting the TDS on the exchange to the extent it is possible. Let's understand it by an example. There is one buyer, seller, and exchange through which transfer of VDA is taking place, and there is no involvement of broker over here. In this case, the buyer will make payment of 500 to the exchange, then the exchange will make the payment to the owner of the VDA. Now, as per the guidelines that has been issued, the liability of TDS in this scenario would be on the exchange. So the exchange, after deducting the tax, will make payment to the seller of INR 495. Now there can be many different situations and combinations where transactions could be in cash or in kind, or where broker is involved, not involved, etc. Each such situations have been clearly explained in the circular issued by the department. The link of such circulars have been shared below for your reference. You can go through such circulars, and अगर आपकी कोई query हो, then you can post the same in the comment section, and we will try to resolve the same at the earliest. With this, we have completed the series on taxation of virtual digital assets. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया, then kindly like, subscribe and share it. Thank you.